A pencil and paper go hand in hand, creating a world of endless possibilities. Des Delight today has brought to you an honest review of Flair brand's pencil kits. So first we have with us Flair brand's Creative Aero pencil kit, which by look is very creative and very attractive, and as it says that it has been created to rise. So to know whether this aero shaped pencil kit will rise or fall in its quality test, you have to stay with us till the end. And before proceeding, please confirm that you have subscribed to our channel Des Delight, and if not, then do subscribe us. The shape of the pencil kit is very attractive and handy. There's an opening at the bottom of the kit, and all you have to do is just press and push it towards you. And there you go. Just look at those beautiful neon color of the pencils. They look so attractive. It has got one cube shaped eraser as well. The package includes 10 neon color 2B lead pencil with inbuilt sharpener, one premium neon eraser, and functional design compass box. This beautiful combination kit is ideally for your creative mind. And one more thing to notice is that this box cannot be opened completely. It gets stuck at this end point. So don't put all of your efforts to open the cover completely. And the best part of this kit is inbuilt sharpener, which has got storage for keeping all the pencil shavings. So quickly now moving towards the quality test of these beautiful pencils. So let's start with the quality of the sharpener first. And yes, the sharpener is good enough to give you a sharp lead pencil. So first of all, let me tell you that this paper on which I'm writing now is very smooth, and the back side of the paper has got rough texture. So we'll write on both the sides of the paper to see how this pencil works on both the surfaces. Grip of the pencil is very good and smooth. The color of the lead is also very dark. And this ergonomically designed pencils with smooth lead ensures comfortable and accurate writings and drawing sessions. This Aero Pencil Smart Kit can be used for sketching, writing, shading, coloring and highlighting as well. So now let's write on the rough side of the paper and see how it writes. According to me, the writings are more sharper and darker on the rough side. But overall, if you ask me, the handwriting is good on both surfaces. They are dark and sharp as well. Okay, so when we are reviewing everything of this kit, then why leave aside reviewing the eraser? So let's quickly do that. Honestly, the eraser is good, but cannot say it's very good, because even after erasing slightly, pencil writings are visible. Because of this, children will try erasing again and again, and by applying a lot of pressure, and the paper may get spoiled at the end. But overall, I must say it's a good one. Sketch and draw with precision using the Flair Creative Aero pencil kit. It's a perfect stationery and office smart kit and a very good option for gifting. Okay, now coming to the pricing part, the actual price of this kit is rupees 125, but if you buy it from Amazon, you will be charged rupees 135. And the kit is available in 3 different beautiful colors. Now it's time to review Flair Creative Series Pastela 2B Extra Dark Pencil Box. The Pastela from the Flair Creative range defines what a pencil should have. This is how the package of the pencil looks like, and the cost of the pencil box is rupees 60 only. The package includes one dust-free tri-eraser, 10 beautiful pastel colored triangle-shaped multicolored body pencils. Wow, just wow, look at the colors of these pencils. They look so soft and soothing to eyes. They look like a pastel paradise for you to explore. Honestly speaking, after seeing these beautiful colors, I'm feeling pastelicious, getting pastel vibes. This German technology ergonomic hexagonal body shaped with the crystal top matte lacquered body gives a stress-free writing experience. The premium soft treated wood of the pencil makes sharpening super smooth. Now it's time to bring these pastel pencils into action. Let's check whether these pencils are worth buying or not. Wow, this pencil is definitely gonna give you a stress-free writing with super dark lines at low pressure. This pencil is giving a very sharp and fast writing. They are very light in weight, just like Aero pencils. But definitely this pencil is more darker and sharper than Aero pencils. And not to forget that these pencils write good on smooth papers as well. And one of the best thing about this pencil is that the pencil has unbreakable lead. That means even if you write for long hours with this pencil, the lead of the pencil won't break. But yes, you might feel like sharpening the pencil again and again, but there is no breakage of lead, which is a plus point for this pencil. Okay, now it's time to check the quality of the eraser, and we will see how does the eraser work. And yes, definitely the eraser is serving its purpose of erasing, but not very neatly. That means it's the same like Aero pencil's eraser. So now let's talk about few similarities between both the pencils. Number one, both the pencils are very light in weight. Both have high quality compressed 2B lead, which gives you very dark lines. Both the pencils have got creative and appealing look or design. Both the pencils won't leave very dark imprints at the back side of the paper. Now let's talk on some major differences between these pencils. The first one is the pricing difference. Flair Creative Aero pencil kit will cost you rupees 125, but if you buy it on Amazon, you will have to pay rupees 135, and Flair Pastela extra dark pencils will cost you rupees 60. The second major difference which I felt between both the pencils is that the grip of Flair Creative Aero pencil is much better than Flair's Pastela pencil. Why I'm saying this? It's because see the structure of the grip of both the pencils. Notice carefully that this Creative Aero pencil has got 3 edges where we hold the pencil, and because of this here we are getting proper 3 flat surfaces to keep our 3 fingers on those parts while writing. And this is the reason our fingers won't feel that pressure while writing, and in fact your hand won't feel that pain while writing for long hours. Now see, in Flair Pastela the pencil's grip has got 6 edges because it's in a shape of a hexagon. See carefully, while holding the pencil our index finger is touching one edge, even the thumb is touching one edge, and the middle finger as well is touching one of the edges of the pencil. That means no matter how you try to hold the pencil, all the 3 fingers will be touching one or the other edge, which in return will create a pain on your fingertips if you write it for long hours. So according to me, this was one of the major difference which I felt like sharing it with you all as a part of my honest reviews. But for sure opinions might change from person to person. So now coming to the conclusion part. According to me, if I have to choose one among these 2 pencils, then I will go with Flair Creative Aero pencil kit. Although it's higher in price, but there are many other pros of this pencil kit. It's like all in one kit. Okay, so before winding up the video, do let me know in the comment section which according to you is worth buying, and if you people like my video, then please do like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned with us.